Now in this, okay, we will learn how to create a mark sheet in Excel. Now this is the mark sheet XYZ College of Commerce and Arts. Student name whatever you want to keep, class and division whatever you want to keep, and here is the mark sheet. Then mark sheet, these are all the subjects, and this mark sheet consists of unit 1, term 1, and final. Unit 1 you can see, okay, all is of 25 marks, term 1 is of all 50 marks, final is of all 100 marks, so total marks is of 175. Now out of 175, how much marks student has obtained, their individual percentage here, the overall percentage over here, and the grade, which grade student is getting. Now if I am entering the marks out of 25, let's say 20, here also 20, here 24, 18, 16, and 20. Out of 50 I am putting here 40, 48, 36, 48, 35, 36, and here out of 100, let's say 80, 90, 95, 85, 66, 87. So the total got automatically calculated. Out of 175, 140 marks, and the 140 marks, okay, the percentage is 80, and the student got distinction, and overall the student got distinction. Now how this is happening automatically, the mark sheet has been created by putting a simple formula. Here first I have to enter the marks over here of all the student here, and then I have entered the marks over here, this column, and here this column. Now total of the column, okay, that is this column, D, N, F, and H. So here I had put the formula, that is equal to sum. You can see the formula over here. D6, where is D6? See, everything is highlighted. You can see here D6 plus F6 plus H6. So this 3 total has to be over here by putting the sum formula. So I got the total, that is 140. Now after getting the total, I just need to drag this formula, so automatically everywhere will be calculated. So after dragging the formula here, I have to put the sum total of all. So how I had put, okay, the total of all the subjects is equal to sum here 140 from here till here, everything has to be totaled up. So if I wanted to total up everything from J6, you can see here, here I had clicked on J6 till J11. So here's the formula is equal to sum J6 select till, okay, J11 by putting the colon J6 to J11. So 864 is the total out of 1050. So I got 82 percentage. Now we have understood, okay, the formula of the total. Now the percentage. The percentage is very simple. The total is 175. Out of 175 I got 140. So the formula will be 140 divided by 175 into 100. So 140 is in which cell? It is in J6. You can see the formula 140 is in J6 divided by 175. 175 is in which cell? I6 into 100. So we got the percentage. Then again you need to drag it, the percentage. Then you can, okay, decrease the decimal, select, and here decrease the decimal, and here again the same formula 864 divided by 150. So you can drag till end, so you will get the result over here. Wait, I'll show you. I'm just dragging till end. I'm dragging the line, okay, and I'm just reducing the decimal, so I'll get the percentage of all the subjects, individual subject percentage also I'll get. Now main thing, okay, to learn, that is the grade. Now what is the condition has been given. Now here we are targeting, okay, that is the percentage column, that is K6. If K6 is greater than equal to 75, the computer will give what? Distinction. K6 is what? 80. So now 80 is greater than and equal to 75, so the grade computer has given distinction. If K6 is greater than equal to 60, the computer will give first class. If K6 is greater than equal to 45, the computer will give okay pass class, otherwise fail. Now this is 80, so we can see distinction. Now we'll make this less than 80. So your marks obtained 80 will make it 40. Now 57%, okay, it has given pass class because it is less than 60, so pass class, so it is in the range between 45 to 60, so it is pass class. So you can see okay how it gets changed automatically by putting a simple formula. Yeah, hope you have understood okay how to create a mark sheet in Excel.